Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. Walk around and show you this 2014 Ram 5500 we have for sale. I'm going to go quick because it's raining, but it's a 14 model, four-wheel drive, 144,000 miles on it. It has a nap height, 11-foot body with an IMT 2020 crane, which is a 5,000-pound crane. It has hydraulic outriggers. It's got a Miller Bobcat 250 diesel welder on it. Several sets of American Eagle slide-out drawers. Let's walk around and take a quick look at it. This is a one-owner truck. It belonged to Union Pacific Railroad out of Utah. This is where we bought this truck. Manual windows, manual door locks. Outriggers are down and out. Crane. Let's go up. Side to side. Winch down. Extension out. Extension in. Winch up. Back around. Obviously it does more than I'm showing you, just showing you all the basic functions. It works like it should. Enclosed slide. This will slide forward. Air hose. Another set of American Eagle drawers here. Did want to point out this damage here on the bed. It could probably be fixed relatively easy. can tell you a lot of those lights on the bed, the spotlights and work lights, they don't work. They probably need to be replaced, and I quit replacing those years ago because people would always say that's the first thing they're going to do is change the lights on it. So anyways, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped to you, I can ship it straight to your door. You're going to be looking around $1.50, $1.75 a mile to have this truck shipped. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher. So what we do is post it on our dispatch board, and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck in Alabama going to California, New York, and anywhere in between. We want to take it for you. I don't have someone just sitting here at the ready to leave out as soon as you pay. Normally, you'll have the truck in 3 to 7 days. Sometimes it can take a little longer. Sometimes we'll get them picked up immediately. Just depends on, what's heading that way, where you live, all that good stuff, the weather. So keep that in mind. I can't tell you an exact second someone's going to pull up in my driveway to pick it up. Someone's going to pull up in your driveway to drop it off. It's really just unrealistic. And, if you're one of those guys that's got to know that information, the only way to know it is to come pick it up yourself in person, which you're obviously welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. Please don't show up with a regular check. Won't be able to see the truck. It has to be a certified bank check, cashier's check, or wire transfer. All right, I guess that's about it on this one. Again, it's a 14 Ram 5500 four-wheel drive, 6.7 Cummins diesel. 11-foot nap-high bed, 5,000-pound IMT, hydraulic crane, hydraulic outriggers, Miller Bobcat welder diesel unit. So, all right, if you are interested, oh yeah, let me see how hours this thing's got on it. Let's see. 3486 idle, 3504 drive. So, not too bad. All right, give me a call if you're interested, and thank you for watching.